Hi students, we were doing molecular orbital theory and molecular orbitals, types of molecular orbitals, which atomic orbitals combine and form what type of molecular orbitals that we had done, energies of different molecular orbitals. Now we'll do some important electronic configurations of diatomic molecules from atomic number 1 to 10. So bonding or electronic configuration in diatomic molecule. Homonuclear, diatomic, homonuclear molecule. Okay, we'll start with first hydrogen, H2, hydrogen molecule. We know hydrogen molecule has total 2 electrons because atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and there are 2 atoms in H2, so total of 2 electrons. What is electronic configuration of this hydrogen molecule? Sigma 1s 2, because only 2 electrons are there. Sigma 1s bonding is of lowest energy, so both electron will enter in 1s atomic orbital. We can draw bond order diagram also for this. Bond order diagram is the energetically we can show the atomic orbitals and the molecular orbitals for a molecules. I'll show you for hydrogen molecule. Suppose this way the energy is increased. These are the atomic orbital of 2 hydrogen atom. Hydrogen has only 1 electron in 1s orbital. These 2 orbital combine and form bonding molecular orbital sigma 1s, anti-bonding molecular orbital sigma star 1s. Compared to atomic orbital, bonding has lower energy, anti-bonding has higher energy. Now 2 electrons will occupy the lower energy molecular orbital. These are molecular orbital. And this side atomic orbitals. 2 atoms, 2 atomic orbital in which electrons are there. These 2 electrons occupy lower energy sigma 1s. Star 1s will be vacant. How to find bond order for this? We know bond order is half the number of electron in bonding, number of electron in anti-bonding. How many electrons in bonding? In bonding there are 2 electrons. Anti-bonding, no electron. So what is bond order? 1. Hydrogen bond order 1, it means that there is single covalent bond between 2 hydrogen atoms. Bond order indicate number of covalent bond. If it is integer then number of covalent bond in 2 atoms. So there is single covalent bond present between 2 hydrogen atoms. If you want to see its magnetic property, we can say that it is diamagnetic. Why it is diamagnetic? Because both the electrons are paired. No unpaired electron is there. Hence hydrogen molecule is diamagnetic. Hydrogen molecule diamagnetic because all electron paired. Clear? Now, hydrogen has electronic configuration sigma 1s2. Suppose we have H2 plus, 1 electron lost, and we have H2 minus. Plus का मतलब 1 electron lost. 2 electrons were there. If 1 lost, then H2 plus has only 1 electron, and this has total of 3 electrons. Because hydrogen H2 has 2 electron, 1 will be gained. Negative ion मतलब 1 electron accept हुआ. तो total कितने हुए? 3 electrons. Now, what is configuration for this? Sigma 1s1. Sigma 1s2 હતું. 1 electron જતું રહ્યું. આમાં શું થશે? Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s1. 1 electron in antibonding. Now, what is the bond order for this? Half bonding electron 1, Anti-bonding માં છે નહીં, so it is 0.5. What is bond order for this? Half number of electron in bonding, that is 2. Anti-bonding star wala 1. So here also the bond order is 0.5. So hydrogen molecule H2 plus H2 minus, इसका bond order आता है 1, इसका आया 0.5, इसका आया 0.5. We studied that bond order and bond length are inversely proportional to each other. And if two molecule or atom have same bond order, molecule or ion, they have same bond order, there must be bond length same. तो यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए, bond order of hydrogen is maximum. So if we arrange them in bond length order, then bond length must be for hydrogen it is least, और H2 plus और H2 minus का same होना चाहिए क्योंकि इनके bond order same है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता है, it is incorrect. सबसे कम जो bond length होता है, या we can say stability, कुछ भी arrange करना हो, bond length, stability of molecule, if you want to arrange according to their stability and bond order are directly proportional to each other. तो हाइड्रोजन सबसे ज्यादा स्टेबल होना चाहिए, उसके बाद H2 प्लस और H2 माइनस, ये ऑर्डर होना चाहिए, बट ये भी गलत है. तो व्हाट इज करेक्ट स्टेबिलिटी ऑर्डर? हाइड्रोजन इज मोस्ट स्टेबल बिकॉज इट्स bond order is maximum among these three. But even then they have same bond order. H2 plus is more stable than H2 minus. What is the reason? Because in H2 minus, one electron is present in anti-bonding molecular orbital. And if electron is there in anti-bonding, it resists the bond formation. And the molecule or ion will be unstable, somewhat unstable. That's why stability order is H2, H2 plus and H2 minus. Now we'll move towards second molecule. This was asked in JEE exam. Correct order for stability. Now second element, atomic number 2 is helium. It is helium diatomic molecule. How many electrons it has? 4 electrons. Because atomic number of helium 2, there are 2 atoms. So total of 4 electrons. Now, what is configuration? Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. After energy wise, if you can see, lowest energy orbital is sigma 1s, uske baad sigma 1s star. If we calculate bond order, then it would be half. Electron in bonding 2, anti-bonding also 2, bond order is 0. If molecule has 0 bond order, it means helium diatomic molecule does not exist. Helium diatomic molecule does not exist. और वैसे भी helium तो noble gas है. Noble gas तो वैसे भी stable configuration वाले हैं. So they never combine with other atom and form molecules. So He2 does not exist. अब exist ही नहीं करता है तो उसका magnetic property बोल के क्या करना है? It is diamagnetic. जब कह रहा है कि molecule does not exist, तो no need to say whether it is paramagnetic or diamagnetic. Clear? Third molecule is hydrogen, helium, then lithium. Li2 diatomic molecule. How many electron it has? 6 electron. Lithium atomic number is 3. So total 2 atoms, hence total number of electrons are 6. What is configuration for lithium? It is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. After filling sigma star 1s, which orbital will come? It is sigma 2s. This is electronic configuration for lithium. If we calculate its bond order, half. Number of electron in bonding. Bonding मतलब star वगैरह वाला. आ छे 2, आ छे 2 એટલે 4. How many in anti-bonding? 2. So bond order will be 1. There is no single bond between two lithium atom. We know that. But in vapor state, they may combine and form lithium vapor, not in solid state. It is metal. But when it vaporizes, it can form in vapor state single bond between two lithium atoms. This is also diamagnetic. Why it is diamagnetic? Because all the electrons are paired. No unpaired electron is there, so it is diamagnetic. Clear? Here also we can have Li plus 1, Li plus minus 1, Li2 plus 1, Li2 minus 1. We can able to calculate their bond orders. Plus 1 means 1 electron lost. It will be lost from here. Sigma 2s 1. આનું બતાવું તમને શું થશે configuration Li2 plus sigma 1s2 sigma star 1s2 sigma 2s1 because 1 electron lost. Now what is the bond order? It is half. Bonding में હવે કેટલા રહી ગયા 3 minus 2, so it is 0.5. This is bond order of Li2 plus. You can also calculate bond order of Li2 minus. Now we'll move towards next molecule. Next molecule is lithium પછી કોણ આવે? Beryllium. Be. Be2. Beryllium diatomic molecule. Beryllium diatomic molecule. Be2. How many electron in Be2? What is the atomic number of beryllium? Beryllium का atomic number होता है, suppose we talk about atom, it has atomic number 4, it's 1s2, 2s2, atomic configuration, because its atomic number is 4. Second atom also have sigma 1s2 and 2s2. So total how many electrons Be2 have? Be2 molecule have total of 8 electrons. One atom 4, 2 atoms there will be 8 electrons. What is the configuration for Be2? Sigma 1s2, sigma star anti-bonding, then sigma 2s2 and sigma star 2s2. 8 electrons filled. Now if we calculate bond order, then it would be half number of electron in bonding 2 plus 2 4. Anti-bonding is star wale 2 plus 2 4. Here also the bond order is 0. So for Be2 also the bond order 0. It means beryllium diatomic molecule. Beryllium diatomic molecule does not exist. Molecule does not exist because its bond order is 0. So whenever molecule has 0 bond order, that molecule does not exist. It should be some positive bond order. Okay. Now after beryllium, which molecule? Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, now boron. Boron diatomic molecule. Total 10 electrons are there. Now if we see the energy of different molecular orbital, how to fill 10 electron? What is configuration? Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. Now pi will come. Pi 2px and pi 2py have same energy. So according to Hund's rule, 1 electron will move to both the orbital, pi 2px and pi 2py. Keep in mind that we have to follow Hund's rule. What is Hund's rule? If orbitals are of equal energy, then we have to fill 1 electron in both the orbital and then pairing will start. We cannot fill 2 electrons in 2px. 2px has 1, 2py has 1 electron. Now what is bond order for boron diatomic molecule? Half. Bonding में electrons count करते हैं. Out of 10, how many bonding? 2, 4, 5 and 6. Anti-bonding 2 plus 2, 4. So it will be 1. In boron, the bond order is 1. Now as we can see, 2 unpaired electrons are there as 2, unpaired electron. Molecule is paramagnetic. Molecule is paramagnetic. If all electrons paired, it is diamagnetic. If one or more unpaired electron is there, then the molecule is paramagnetic. Clear? Now, after boron, carbon. This was asked once in board exam. Write electronic configuration of carbon diatomic molecule. Carbon diatomic molecule. And also calculate its bond order. So he is talking about C2. Total 12 electrons will be there in C2. Why 12 electrons? Because carbon atomic number is 6. 2 atoms. So total of 12 electrons. What is electronic configuration? Sigma 1s में 2, sigma star 1s में 2, sigma 2s में 2, star 2s में 2, फिर pi 2px, pi 2py, इन दोनों में 2, 2. This is configuration of carbon diatomic molecule. What is the bond order? Bond order is half. Number of electron in bonding. How many? 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Anti-bonding star वाला जो आना 4 electron. So bond order is 2. मतलब there is double covalent bond between two carbon atom. And remember that both are pi bond. ऐसा कभी होता नहीं है कि सिग्मा नहीं बने उसके पहले पाई बन जाए. Always first sigma bond is formed and after that pi bond. But in C2 molecule, both the bonds are pi bond. Because pi molecular orbital will form bond. That's why it is called pi bonds. So in C2, both the bonds are pi. What type of molecule it is? Diamagnetic. Why carbon is diamagnetic? Carbon molecule is diamagnetic because here also both the electrons are, all the electrons are paired. Clear? Now we'll move towards nitrogen diatomic molecule. We will draw its molecular orbital diagram also because many times it was asked. And then we will do different type of bond order and electronic configurations. Nitrogen diatomic molecule. If you see energy wise, molecular orbital diagram, MO diagram बोलते हैं, of N2 diatomic molecule, nitrogen molecule. क्यों इतना draw करवाना? Both the sides we will draw atomic orbitals. See, this is 1s, equal energy में बनाना है 1s. Both the energies must be same. Sidewise atomic orbitals. Clear? Then it is 2s. Here also it is 2s. Then it is 2px, 2py, 2pz. Same energy 2px, 2py and 2pz. Atomic orbital of nitrogen. 1s, 2s, 2px, 2py, 2pz. Here also 2px, 2py, 2pz. If you see energy wise then 1s is of lower energy, after that 2s and after that this. These are atomic orbitals of two nitrogen atoms. Now in between we will draw the molecular orbitals. Two atomic orbital combined, what they form? What they form? Bonding molecular orbital. This is sigma 1s. They form anti-bonding molecular orbital. Sigma star 1s. Bonding is of lower energy, anti-bonding is of higher energy. They two combine to form bonding. Sigma 2s and anti-bonding. Sigma star 2s. Here 2px, 2py, 2pz. When they overlap, what they form? Sigma 2pz, pi 2px, pi 2py. सबसे कम एनर्जी किसका होता है? नाइट्रोजन के केस में pi 2px, pi 2py. So here 2 pi orbitals will be formed. This would be pi 2px and this would be pi 2py. As they are of same energy, एक ज level पर बना हुआ है. After that, which bonding? After that, sigma 2pz. Then anti-bonding. First it will be pi star 2px, pi star 2py, and at last sigma star 2pz. This is energies of different molecular orbital. Diagrammatically, if we are drawing, then it is called MO diagram, molecular orbital diagram. Now, what is configuration for nitrogen atom? It's 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3 according to Hund's rule. 1 electron to each orbital. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Total how many electrons are there in nitrogen? 14 electrons. 14 electrons we have to fill in these molecular orbitals by following of Bohr principle, Pauli's exclusion principle and Hund's rule. 14 electrons. Fill 2 here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, 13 and 14. This is the electronic configuration of nitrogen diatomic molecule. Electronic configuration लिखना हो तो कैसे लिखेंगे? Sigma 1s2, then sigma star 1s2. After that, sigma 2s2, then sigma star 2s2. See, sigma 1s star, sigma 2s, sigma star. After that, pi 2px2, pi 2py2, and at last sigma 2pz2. This is electronic configuration of nitrogen. Both are one and same thing. Here we are showing atomic orbitals energy wise in a diagram. There we are writing simply electronic configuration. So if they ask to draw molecular orbital diagram, this type of diagram you have to draw energy wise. Bottom to top, energy of orbitals increases. Clear? Now we'll calculate bond order and all. If they ask you to draw, then only. Every time, no need to draw this. Now, what is electronic configuration for nitrogen diatomic molecule? Right now we had seen it's sigma 1s2 star, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, then pi 2px, pi 2py, and at last sigma 2pz. Clear? This was electronic configuration of nitrogen. What is bond order? Half. Bonding multiply electrons. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many in anti-bonding? 4. So bond order 3. 3 means there is triple bond between two nitrogen atoms. In Lewis dot structure also we can see. In nitrogen molecule there are triple bond. Between two atoms there is 3 covalent bond. Now what type of molecule it is? Diamagnetic. Because all electrons are paired, hence it is diamagnetic. See, all are paired, no unpaired electron is there. Sometimes they may ask to write electronic configuration of N2 plus also. What is configuration of N2 plus? Plus का मतलब 1 electron lost, and that will be lost from last orbital. So configuration become sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. After that, pi 2px2, pi 2py2, and then sigma 2pz1. Now what is the bond order for this? Bond order is half. Bonding में से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कम हुआ है. So bond order would be 10 minus 4 की जगह पे 9 minus 4, so it would be 5 by 2 means 2.5. Bond order decrease. Now it become paramagnetic because now the electron is unpaired. See, unpaired electron. Here paired, but here it is unpaired. So for unpaired electron, molecule is paramagnetic. They can also tell you to calculate for N2 plus N2 minus. N2 माइनस मतलब 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड होगा, कहाँ पे ऐड होगा, पाई में ऐड होगा, क्या बनेगा, it's sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, after that sigma 2s2, then sigma star 2s2, then it is pi 2px में pi 2py, same energy, both have two electrons, after that it is sigma 2pz. ये तो था नाइट्रोजन में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन जो ऐड हुआ है वो कहाँ पे ऐड होगा, पाई स्टार में ऐड होगा, 2px 2py have same energy, that's why we are writing, बाकी इलेक्ट्रॉन खाली एमा આવશે एंटी बॉन्डिंग માં એમાં બોન્ડ ઓર્ડર કેટલું આવશે, હાફ, બોન્ડિંગ માં ઇલેક્ટ્રોન્સ કેટલા 10, એન્ટી બોન્ડિંગ માં ફાઇન્ડ કરશો તો 5 આવશે, બોન્ડ ઓર્ડર 2.5, molecule again paramagnetic. So either by losing one electron by nitrogen or by gaining one electron by nitrogen, both way molecule become paramagnetic. Now one question is there, N2 plus and N2 minus have same bond order 2.5. Are they equally stable? No. Here one electron entered in anti-bonding. So N2 minus is comparatively less stable than N2 plus. So what is the stability order? Stability order is no doubt N2 is most stable, after that N2 plus and then N2 minus. Even then N2 plus N2 minus have same bond order. Their stability differ because one electron in N2 minus entered in anti-bonding molecular orbital, and anti-bonding molecular orbital if electron has, then it resists the bond formation, molecule become unstable. Clear? They may ask for MCQs. Now 3 molecules are left, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Their electronic configuration, MO diagram we will do in next video.